Morning, folks.
Morning.
Let me talk to you for a minute.
Oh, here we go.
So yesterday,
Time for the preacher.
To come carry
New Mexico.
New Mexico. I went blank here. Too much of that whiskey drink. You know what I'm talking about? Heading for Flagstaff, Arizona. Good trip. Beautiful. Almost made it. We expected a bad day. Rain. We caught it the last 80 miles. Coming on into Flagstaff. My road captain, who needs a rain suit? We lose time, we pull over, put on rain suits. Crack the throttle, and let's just do it. Bust through it. It'll be dry on the other side. That's what we did.
True story. Where are we going today, buddy?
We are going to Las Vegas today.
Vegas.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the team's real excited about going to Vegas. So, of course, Wild Man's been there a few times, but we haven't. So, see what it's all about. So, should be a good day. It's gonna be a real short hop, maybe 4 hours. We're gonna go find us some good breakfast this morning and a lot of Harley shops. So we'll see. You know, I'm sure she's gonna want to spend some money. So, hello, and we'll see you guys later. Terribles. Why do you name your store Terribles? I guess better question is, why did I stop to get gas at Terribles? I don't know. Kingman, Arizona. Just another fuel stop. Well, gas is still under $5 a gallon. I guess that's good. All right, less talking, more riding. There's a little better view. I just hope I don't drop the camera. That is a long way down there, man. So that's pretty cool. There's the big bridge that we just drove over. Talk about some beautiful views around here. It is amazing. There we go, Hoover Dam. Go say hi. There goes my bro. He's going to check out Hoover Dam, Lake Mead. Walking like a real badass. Look at him. No shame in his game. Oh, looky here, looky here, looky here.
Look at that building as well, it's
Look at that water.
That side is Arizona. Paid attention to history lessons, I probably know that.